Hi everyone, I am Vennela. I am working as a teacher in Om Narayana English Medium High School. Today activity, color activity. Hi children. Hi ma'am. How are you children? Today we are learning colors. Are you ready? Okay. Nitish, come. Pick up the black color.
This is black color.
Okay, go. Harini, come. Pick up the yellow color.
This is yellow color balloon.
Soumya, come. Pick up the white color balloon. This is
This is white color balloon.
Dakshit, come. Pick up the green color balloon.
Pick up that green color balloon.
Very good, Anna. Danisha, come. Pick up the brown color balloon. Very
This
good.
is black
Brown.
color balloon.
Sankirtana, come. Pick up the blue color balloon. చెప్పు
This is blue color.
అక్కడ చూసి చెప్పు
This is blue color.
balloon. Gagan, come. Pick up the orange color balloon. అక్కడే నిలబడుకో చెప్పు
This is orange color.
అశ్వత్, go. Pick up the red color balloon.
This is black color balloon.
గట్టిగా చెప్పు
This is black color balloon.
కలర్ 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 చెప్పు కలర్ కలర్ చెప్పు వాట్ కలర్
What color
నేను
you want?
థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్ చెప్పండి థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్
Thank you.